Good night, student. Today we learn what is elision. Class planner. What is elision? Objectives. The student will declare about the concept of elision in a connected speech. 2. The difference exercise tonate, accent, and connection the sound in speech. Development of the activity. Is the 1. Explain the concept the elision. 2. Name the importance the elision is connected speech. 3. Don't use the two-sentence guide the example of the term the elision. What is elision? Omitting one or more sound from a word phrase. Easy to pronounce, would say in casual informal speech. Sound smoother and more natural. The importance the elision in the connected speech. It's of great importance when talking about the connected discourse. Is what is now an elision, that in an extremely simple way, we will define in the disappearance of a sound. Many are the cases in which the decision can be gained. The following are sufficient as an example. Look at the sound the and t when they happen between two consonants, or the line involved the pronunciations. Eul or the line, now, eul or a line. It also happens with words like sandwich or with expressions like you and me. Example pronunciation. Formal speech. The handsome movie star hands in a fila with friends between a father and son. Casual speech. The handsome movie star hands in a fila with friendship between a father and son. Activity the class. 1. Student will read a paragraph where they identify elision in the pronunciation. 2. A student will read the sentence where are words where elision is in the pronunciation. Evaluation. Organize a dialogue between the people where the thematic appear identified tone is good pronunciation as elision. Thank you very much. Bye.